Just 24 hours to go for Donald Trump tariffs kick in. US has issued a public notice for an additional 25% tariff on India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday remained firm ahead of the 50% US tariffs on Indian goods, saying that his government will find a way out regardless of the economic pressure by Washington. While speaking at a public rally in Ahmedabad, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that we are all seeing policies based on economic selfishness in the world, and he also reassured the nation that India will stand firm against such protectionist measures and will prioritize the interests of its citizens. On the other hand, RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra stated that tariffs on Indian goods will have minimal impact, and in fact, he also emphasized that RBI has been very proactive in responding to economic challenges and will continue to support growth.
दुनिया में आर्थिक स्वार्थ वाली राजनीति सबको अपना करने में लगा है। उसे हम भली भांति देख रहे हैं। मेरे छोटे छोटे दुकानदार भाई बहनों से कहूंगा, मेरे किसान भाइयों से कहूंगा, मेरे पशुपालक भाई बहन से कहूंगा, और मैं गांधी की धरती पे से बोल रहा हूं, मेरे देश के लघु उद्यमी हो, किसान हो, पशुपालक हो, हर किसी के लिए मैं आपको बार बार वादा करता हूं, मोदी के लिए आपके हित सर्वोपरि है। मेरी सरकार लघु उद्यमियों का, किसानों का, पशुपालकों का कभी भी अहित नहीं होने देंगी। दबाव कितना ही क्यों ना आए, हम झेलने की अपनी ताकत बढ़ाते जाएंगे।
दुनिया के दादा हमसे कह रहे थे समझौता करो, उनके कृषि उत्पादों के लिए हम बाजार खोल रहे हैं, हमारे द्वार खोल रहे हैं। उनके किसानों पे हजारों हेक्टेयर जमीन, वहां अलग सब्सिडी मिलती है, वो जीएम सीड्स का उपयोग करते हैं, और हमारे छोटे किसान उनका मुकाबला कर पाते क्या? सोचा था कि हम डर जाएंगे, लेकिन आज का भारत है जो आत्मविश्वास के साथ भर के खड़ा हुआ है।
अभी हम ये भी नहीं कह सकते कि पक्का ये 25% एडिशनल होगा। हो सकता है ट्रम्प कहे जी मैं 3 महीने के लिए अभी सस्पेंड करता हूँ, जैसे इसने चाइना के साथ किया हुआ है, पर उसके चांस कम लगते हैं। चांस लगता है कि ट्रम्प ट्रेड का जो 25 है उसके ऊपर ये 25 हम पे थोपेगा। अगर थोपेगा तो हमारी सरकार का रिस्पांस क्या होना चाहिए, आई थिंक ये बहुत अहम चर्चा होगी, क्योंकि मोरलेस हम में कैसे कह चुके हैं कि हम अमेरिका की जो धमकियां हैं उसके आगे हम अपना पोजीशन बदलेंगे नहीं।
And India Today Global's Pranay Upadhyay is now joining us on the story. Pranay, a very good morning to you. So from tomorrow, the Trump tariffs will come into effect in India. How prepared is the country for the same?
Good morning, Anjali. And definitely, India is preparing itself to face the 50% tariff imposed by the US Trump administration, because the additional 25%, which was announced on 6th of August, goes into effect from 27th August. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to chair a high-level meeting today. Right from the GST relief, which has already been announced by Prime Minister Modi on 15th of August, and which is likely to go into effect from 22nd of September. We are learning from our sources, and also the other measures, especially to give the targeted relief to the exporting sectors, because the gems and jewelry sector, the apparel sector, the garment export sector, the marine the producers, they are the sectors which are likely to get impacted by this additional 50% additional tariff, or 25%, which and making it to 50% 50%, and this 50% itself make Indian product less viable in the US market. However, having said that, what has happened in the recent past, that most of the US importers have front loaded their imports. So ahead of the incoming the incoming festive season in United States, be it Christmas or the New Year, most of the US importers have imported the Indian goods ahead of their schedule. So whatever the or most of the products have already been shipped, and those which got shipped and ordered as per 26th
Right.
of August, and which touches the US shore by 16th of September, they will be exempted from these additional 50% tariff duties.